Okay, let me turn on the fire. Hello, hello. Yes, hello dear friends. So I have some chicken and I want to cook the chicken so that it prepares for the week. And cut some ginger. Can you see it? Very, very thin. And you do not have to cut it very thin, very roughly cut it. It's good. I just washed the onion, and you can cut it small or large. Not important. Finally, all its shape will be gone. So, okay, that should be good. Put the onion in. Okay, so now you can take a look. I have not yet put anything, no cooking oil, no anything, so that it does not splash. If you really cook as a housewife, as a house husband, or as I try to be politically correct, not discriminating the man or thing. If you are at home, man or woman cooking at home, then you know the most difficult thing to do at home is actually the cleaning. So try to make it as less as possible, the splash. Okay, time to say hello. Hello. This is salt. Hello. This is a cumin seed. Hello. Bye-bye. Cumin seed. I put the fire a bit slower. And the mustard seed. Hello. Bye-bye. And this one, are we in the right zoom? I think this is better. And this one is pepper. A little bit. Pepper. Hello. Bye-bye. Now let's put cooking oil. Hello. Bye-bye. Now we could put in the meat. Let me see how much can we put in. One package. Another package. This is pork. We will make a mixture of pork, and so that we do not need to we will have more flavor. Put the fire slower. So you can still put one chicken in. chicken. Okay, let me put all the chicken in. Another one. So this should be good for a couple of weeks. Put everything in. And let it cook for a couple of minutes, and then use this time to look for your cooking wine, look for other material. Okay. Let me find some cooking wine. Okay, now we put some other spice. So I eat noodles. Oh, that's so close. You can take a look. I have these noodles and they are very spicy. Only the men in the family eat those spice. And for me, sometimes it's too spicy. I will not use it in my noodle. I put it in the meat. Okay. So you can use all your leftover spice that otherwise you will throw away. So this is a chance you use all those things that you want to throw away, right? And some cooking wine. This is just an inexpensive wine. I do not know the brand because I do not drink wine. And put soya sauce or what you see. It's not salty enough, so I will put this miso paste so that I can get rid of the miso paste. I think that is not too much, just the perfect amount. Imagine how much meat we have. Okay, this is the meat. We put the fire a little bit slower. What else can we put? We can put some sugar also. You do not need to be so viciously stirring it. You can stir it when you have time, from time to time. Every 5 minutes you can do one time of stir. And the whole process take something like half an hour, 1 hour. I will do it 1 hour. Just sometimes a strong fire, sometimes a lower fire. And this one will be good for the whole, gosh, that's a lot. The whole week, more than a whole week. I bought something like, how gosh, this is only $3. Oh, this is only $10 of meat. That's nothing. Comparing with the Wagyu beef, one slice is $100 something. Okay, turn on the fire very strong. I'm putting in some soya sauce. It needs to be a little bit salty because you will keep it for a long time, relatively. So, sugar. So this is a full flavor of everything. And next time when you cook, you do not need to put much things, just 1 spoon of it and some cooking oil, and then the vegetable will be ready to go. You have seen me do a lot of this kind of dish that already have meat ready. Like this. More wine. Doesn't hurt. Because the alcohol will evaporate. With the heat. You can put any other spice if you like. You can put salsa, because sometimes you do not finish the salsa you bought, so throw it in. You can put anything that you like. Chicken stock, chicken cube. Anyway, that's about it. Cover it up. Every 5 to 10 minutes come here to check it out. So I will stop here, and 10 minutes later we are coming back. Okay, see you later, alligator. Okay, this is I will turn the fire a little bit slower because otherwise you cannot see. This is 5 minutes later. Sometimes when the meat are close together, it's actually kind of satisfying to eat. So, which means we will have a few more rounds of these. It's kind of satisfying to do it. It's a typical student food. I mean, student food when in China, when we were in university, and at the weekend, if some of the students live in the same city as their parents and stay in student dorm, at the weekend, mom will cook, or family will cook, or themselves, or whoever will cook this kind of meat and put into the container, and they take to school every day, get a little bit, not so much. Well, if mom is very generous, cooks this much, that student will be the most popular in the dormitory, in the 8 people room dormitory or 5 people room dormitory, right? Okay, it's quite white. Okay, cover it up. Maybe I can put some more soya sauce to make it a bit darker. Oh, I have some. Okay, no soya sauce. See you later, alligator. In an hour. In 10 minutes I will do it again. Okay, hello dear friends. So this is about it. It's more or less like this, more or less like this. It's been half an hour, and turn off the fire and put into a container. And every time when I need, I put a spoonful or more. And quesadilla, use a lot of this. What else? When you eat tacos, prepare some lettuce, some salsa, cream, and something on side, some taco shell, and then it is good. And cooking vegetables, anything, yeah. Some wraps and put on top of rice, all good. Okay, enjoy. I love you, I really do. Do.